Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you people are good. In my previous video, I have explained DeMass rule, and now I'm going to explain BODMAS rule, simplification through BODMAS rule. Okay, first of all, I will tell you BODMAS stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Alright, there are three types of bracket. First is round bracket, second is curly bracket, and third one is square bracket. Whenever we have these brackets in a question, we have to solve round bracket first, then curly bracket on second, and lastly square bracket. Alright, so BODMAS rule is applied when brackets are given, and DeMass rule is applied when we have to deal with signs, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. When no brackets are given, we have to use DeMass rule, and when brackets are given in the question, we have to follow the BODMAS rule. Right, let's take an example. Okay, in this example, first of all, we have to see where is the round bracket. This is the round bracket, right? You have to underline this one. This means that you have to solve the round bracket first, and remaining question will same. First of all, I will tell you how we are going to read the question. 10 whole 1 by 10 plus square bracket starts 4 minus curly bracket starts 7 by 10 plus round bracket start 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 all brackets closed, or round bracket, curly bracket, or and square bracket closed. Now first of all, I have to search where is the mixed number. If there is any mixed number given in the question, I have to convert it into the fraction. This is the mixed number, right? So I have to convert it into the fraction. This is the first step of a BODMAS question, right? 10 tens are 100, 100 plus 1, 101 by 10, denominator will remain as it is, plus there is no denominator below 4, so we suppose it 1. Remaining question will be as it is. Okay, now we have to solve round bracket first. Here it is. So rest of the question will be same, plus square bracket start 4 by 1 minus curly bracket start 7 by 10 plus. Okay, now here comes round bracket. Okay, in round bracket there is a addition sign between two fractions. When there is a addition sign between two fractions, we have to take the LCM, right? Okay, in rougher column you have to take the LCM. We have to see the smallest table. 4 is divisible by 2, 5 will remain as it is, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. 2 what are the factors? 2 2 and 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Fractional line, 20 is the LCM. Okay, this is the very technical step. What you people have to do, this is the denominator of fraction, this is the numerator, this is denominator, this is numerator. You have to divide the denominator with LCM. Okay, divide the denominator with LCM. You can divide it in rough work. 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer? 4. You have to multiply the answer with numerator. 4 1s are 4. Same like this, 4 5s are 20. So 5 1s are 5. Clear? Now again rest of the question will remain as it is. We have to solve round bracket. 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. Now we got one value, so the round bracket will be closed or will be finished. Now here comes curly bracket. Okay, we are following the sequence of BODMAS. So we again addition is here, we have to take the LCM, right? Smallest table is 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, and again 5 1s are 5. Factors are 2, 2 and 5, 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20 is the LCM. All brackets closed. 10 2s are 20 and 2 7s are 14. 20 1s are 20, 1 9s are 9. Again curly bracket we have to solve. 4 by 1 minus 14 plus 9. 23 by 20. We got one value, so curly bracket will be finished or closed. Now we have only one bracket, that is last one, and that is the square bracket. Again there is subtraction. Whenever there is addition and subtraction between two fractions, we have to take LCM, right? And in case of multiplication and division, we have to do cancellation. But here is a subtraction sign, so we have to take LCM. LCM of 1 and 20 will be 20, because 1 is a number with which when we multiply a number with 1, the same number will come. So the LCM is 20. Okay, we have to divide the denominator with LCM, right? Denominator is 1 and LCM is 21. 20 is a 20, the answer is 20. 24 is a 80. Sorry, there is a subtraction sign. 21 is a 20, so 1. 23 ones are 23, right? Now we have to subtract 23 from 80. 1 borrow, 7 left, 57 by 20. Now again we have to take the LCM, because there is addition sign. 10 and 20 LCM is already taken, that is 20. So 10 2s are 20, 202, 10 1 21s are 20, 57. We have to add it over here. 259. This is not our final answer, because whenever the numerator is greater than denominator, we have to divide it or convert it into mixed number. 21s are 20, and then 9 comes down. 22s are 40. Okay, remainder is 19. How we are going to write this? We have to draw an arrow like this and this one. 12 whole 19 by 20. 12 whole 19 by 20, and this is our answer. So this is the BODMAS rule. Always remember, whenever brackets are given in the question, we have to follow the BODMAS rule, and whenever brackets are not given in the question, we have to follow DEMAS rule. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.